changing these complete units, first thing you want to do, get inside here. 6 little screws. Brain surgery this is. Okay. Keep them in a safe place. So you've got 3 wires coming in. Ever so easy to connect up. Reds to red, black to black. So if you just disconnect on this end, pull them out, undo these little grummety things, that should come out, the little grummety things, that's going to come out, that's your electrics disconnected, simples. Next. Go 19 mils, saver, spanner, socket, whatever you got. Just crack them off. A bit sticky, just give it a little wiggle. Just put the weight on them or something. Help yourself, Ben. It is a bit easy with these finger things out of the road, but for the sake of in a second, Ben. In a second, mate. Just make sure you keep all your bits and bobs. That's it, the complete unit will come off. You just want to snip these couple of little cable ties here. I'll send you a couple of cable ties with it so you can put the wires back. There's 2 there. There's 3 on the other one. Exactly the same job both sides. Get your new unit, bolt it in place. Redo your wires, stick it back in there, red to red, black to black, 2 together from the other side as well. Just a reverse of that basically.